Hi, in front of me is ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Start by opening Play Store. Now type iOS Launcher and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Allow and tap Home button. Select iOS Launcher by clicking on it and choose Always. Then click Got it and OK. As you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!